Hello, I'm Kalash Gupta. I secured an AIR of 3 in JEE Advanced. Today at DKT, I'll share my experience of my preparation for JEE in the past 2 years. I took my coaching from Fiji, South Delhi, which has helped me tremendously in my success. They guided me through the preparation and gave me pointers on how to self-study. For physics, I studied from H.C. Verma and I.E. Erudov. H.C. Verma proved to be extremely helpful in building my fundamental concepts, and Erudov improved my problem solving. My teachers at coaching gave me selected problems for Erudov to improve my skill and speed. This helped me achieve a perfect score of 120 in physics in JEE Advanced. Now I'm going to talk about my chemistry preparation. For physical chemistry, I was given enough material at my coaching institute itself, and I practiced many problems. For physical chemistry, practice is necessary and sufficient. All the formulae in NCERT should be on your tips. For inorganic chemistry, I followed NCERT rigorously and learned almost all of it. I also followed JDL towards the end to brush up my concepts. For organic chemistry, apart from my coaching material, I also followed Paula Bruce, which proved to be tremendously helpful in my preparation. I put in approximately equal number of hours in chemistry and mathematics, but much more in comparison to physics. So I put in approximately 2 hours a day for chemistry. Now I'll share my preparation for mathematics. For mathematics, I did not prescribe to any special book, but just stuck to practicing many problems. This was provided by my teachers at my coaching institute. I also completed my archive of past questions of JEE, and this helped me gain confidence in mathematics as a subject. I also put in approximately 2 hours per day for mathematics, as it was a weaker point in my preparation. I suggest all future aspirants to practice as many problems as possible in mathematics, as it proves to be extremely useful in the paper. I actually don't remember the exact composition of the paper from 11th and 12th, but I believe the part of 12th was more. For JEE preparation, I believe 11th is sufficient to start a preparation, as I started my preparation in 11th too. There is a lot of difference between boards, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. However, NCERT proves to be useful in all 3 exams. For JEE Advanced, in-depth knowledge in each of the subjects is required and conceptual clarity is required, which may not be as much useful for boards and for JEE Advanced. For me, my preparation involved setting small goals which were achievable. However much time I got to study, after my coaching and school, I would devote it to the work I was given at home. Approximately, I studied for 5 to 6 hours a day in the starting part of my preparation, and towards the end, I started giving tests, so it increased to 7 to 8 hours. For future aspirants, I would advise them to give many mock tests towards the end of their preparation. They shouldn't focus on studying newer concepts, but rather practice what they have studied. And I believe social media should be cut down, but should not be left out completely, as one needs to be in contact with teachers and friends who are studying for JEE Advanced. I believe one should build an exam temperament and not be stressed out during the day of the exam. This can spoil the paper and help and make one forget whatever they have learned. So I believe one should be cool and should find tricks to calm themselves down on the day of the exam. I haven't yet decided between IIT Delhi or Mumbai, but I wish to pursue computer science. In the future, I maybe plan to follow artificial intelligence, but I haven't yet explored it yet. For future aspirants, I believe they should find some hobbies to de-stress themselves. I used to play football, chess, and even take part in competitive programming. Future aspirants should have something to motivate themselves for this JEE preparation, as the 2 years can be a really long time, and they need something to keep them going on. In the end, I would just like to wish all the best to all the future JEE aspirants. For more such videos, keep watching Delhi Knowledge Track.